Next, we need to learn the irregulars. The good news is with the irregulars, even though we change the first part, the endings are still going to be the same. So with our irregulars, we have three different types. We have elimination verbs, there's four of those. We have the D verbs, there's four of those. And we have the C verbs, there are two of those. The important thing to remember is we're still going to add the same ending onto the end of these. We're just going to change the infinitive just a little bit on these irregulars. With the elimination verbs, we have haber, poder, querer, and saber. And what you'll notice happens to those is we simply eliminate the E at the end of the verb from the ER verb. So those elimination verbs, haber, poder, querer, and saber, you take the E out and you're left with the stem shown. You'll take the endings and just add them on to the end of that to form your future tense for those. Next, you have the D verbs. The D verbs are poner, salir, tener, and venir. Those four verbs, all you do is take the E or the I from the infinitive and you're going to change it to a D. So poner becomes pondre, salir becomes saldre, tener becomes tendre, and venir becomes vendre. So you're going to again take the ending and just put it at the end of that newly formed infinitive. The last two are the C verbs. The C verbs are decir and hacer. The C verbs, what you're going to do is you're going to take the C and the E from that verb and you're going to remove it. So decir becomes dir and hacer becomes ad. Again, all you have to do is take those infinitive changed infinitives and add the ending to the end just like you did with the other ones.